Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reorder your customer groups so that if a buyer qualifies for more than one, they automatically get the pricing and rules of your highest ranked group. So let's get started. First up, look at the main left-hand sidebar under your Smind B2B app menu and just click on Settings and click on Customer Groups. This is where you will see your current list of groups and how they are prioritized. Basically, if a buyer falls into more than one customer group at the same time, the group placed highest on the list wins. It means their quick order form, wholesale pricing, and volume discount rules are the ones that will actually apply to your customer. Now let's reorder those groups. In the video, you will notice we currently have exactly two customer groups set up. All B2B Buyer, a general group for all wholesale customers, and B2B Buyer US, a specialized group just for buyers in the United States. Why do we need to reorder them? Because a customer can technically belong to more than one group at the same time. A wholesale buyer from the United States qualifies for both the B2B Buyer US and the general all B2B Buyer group. So what does this mean for your store? The app resolves this overlap by looking at your priority list from top to bottom. If you leave all B2B Buyer at the top, your US customers will only see the generic pricing. To make sure your specialized US rules apply, you need to drag the group upward and drop it directly above the all B2B Buyer group to lock it into that number one spot. Once your groups are arranged exactly how you want them, go ahead and click the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your customer group priorities in the Smind B2B app, ensuring your specific buyers always see the exact pricing, rules, and order forms meant for them. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Thanks for watching.